Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we turn our attention to the Asia-Pacific region's largest and most influential event for the medical device industry, the China International Medical Equipment Fair, or CMEF, in Shanghai. For any company looking to understand or enter the vast Chinese market, this event is an essential fixture on the calendar. The upcoming 91st edition, scheduled for April 8th to 11th, 2025, is set to be immense. It will occupy the entire National Exhibition and Convention Center in Shanghai, covering 350,000 square meters. We expect to see nearly 5,000 exhibitors, from global giants to innovative startups, and attract over 200,000 visitors from more than 150 countries. What makes CMEF particularly significant is its dual focus. It serves as a crucial hub for emerging markets, highlighting the parallel growth of foundational primary care equipment and sophisticated, high-end devices. This creates a unique landscape where you can observe trends across the full spectrum of the healthcare ecosystem. A key theme is the rise of domestic Chinese innovation. We anticipate seeing a major showcase of locally developed technologies, such as advanced imaging systems like United Imaging's large aperture MRI and a new generation of multi-port endoscopic surgical robots that are proving their capabilities in complex procedures. A pivotal feature for 2025 is the enhanced focus on 产业链整合, or full industry chain integration. The Concurrent International Component Manufacturing and Design Show, or ICMD, effectively creates a new medical manufacturing technology exhibition area. This is not just an add-on. It represents a strategic shift to bring the entire upstream supply chain into the main event. Here, attendees can explore everything from high-performance materials and precision components to the latest in medical-grade 3D printing and intelligent manufacturing equipment. This integration makes CMEF a one-stop platform for the entire product lifecycle, from initial design and component sourcing to finished device manufacturing and distribution. It provides an unparalleled opportunity to see how advancements in areas like AI and big data are being integrated directly into the manufacturing process, shaping the next generation of medical technology. For international firms, CMEF is more than just an exhibition. It is a critical gateway for navigating the complexities of the Chinese market, understanding regulatory pathways, and forging essential partnerships. If your company needs assistance navigating global market access in China or other regions, Pure Global is here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.